I'm going to be showing you how to set up your withdrawal methods. That is, how to set up your payment methods for receiving income from the EarnovaPro Project Block 1 instant withdrawal system, which is just being added into the system. So, before you activate Project Block 1, the first thing you want to do is to click on Settings here, in the menu, above your dashboard. So I'm going to show you how to set your payment methods, so as to enable you to start receiving direct instant payments from your network after you have activated Project Block 1. Okay, so once you are in your settings, this is the next thing you are going to do. So now, listen carefully. You must add a minimum of 3 payment methods in your settings dashboard, so that you can always receive payments with different payment methods. So, if you want, you can add 4 payment methods to your dashboard, which is your local bank account. You can receive direct payment from any country from all over the world, depending on the country you are joining from. So, we believe that your network will also comprise of the country from your location. So you can set up your local bank as your payment method here. But make sure you enter minimum of 3 payment methods. You can set 4 payment methods if you like. So I'm going to be linking my PayPal, Tron, and Solana accounts as my preferred methods of receiving payment. These are the 3 payment methods I wanna be using to receive payments. So all your Earnova network are gonna see your PayPal email ID, and they will be able to send $1 into your PayPal account instantly to activate their Project Block 1. Okay, so next I'm gonna set my Tron address. So, because I need to enter a minimum of 3 payment methods. So, to link your Tron address, click on Tron. You can receive payment from Tron Link Pro, Token Pocket, Trust Wallet, Bybit or Binance, but make sure that any payment address you are entering here can receive tiny amount of Tron, about 3.7 Trons minimum. So, I'm gonna link my token pocket to set up my payment method for Tron. Alright, now, I'm in my token pocket wallet. I'm gonna be getting my receiving address. So I'll click on Receive button to copy my Tron address and head over to my Earnova dashboard. So I'm going to paste my Tron address here correctly and click on Save button. So the next payment method I'm gonna link is my Solana address. Remember I told you that you must connect or link 3 payment methods minimum so that your Earnova network can be able to activate their $1 into any of the payment methods that is convenient to them. So right now, I'm going to go to my Solana wallet to get my address. For Solana, you can use Phantom. Phantom is good for receiving tiny amount of Solana, up to a minimum of $1. So I'm gonna click on Solana here to receive payment. So I'm going to click on the Receive Payment button, which is here. So this is my receiving address. I'll click on Copy. So now I have to head back to my Earnova dashboard, and then I'll paste my address in the Solana address section to receive Solana payment. Make sure you paste your correct address. Then you click on Save Payment button here. So I have successfully set up 3 payment methods which is PayPal, Tron, and Solana, to receive payment from Project Block 1. So this is the first thing you do. Okay, after you have connected at least 3 payment methods. If you like, you can set up 4 payment methods. All of them is okay, but minimum make sure you connect up to 3 payment methods minimum. So, right now, after you have set up your methods of receiving payments, your next step is to go and activate Project Block 1. This next step, very, very important. You must come down here, where you will see Activate Project Block 1. So, in my next video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. After you click on Activate Project Block 1 here, you are going to watch my next video on how to do that. So I want you to know that EarnovaPro is a smart system. Smart people build smart systems, and systems build consistent income. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in my next video guide.